This dripping in sessions, I'm giving them lessons. I'll cash out at the mall, gotta show them how to ball. Man, fuck they feelings, I ain't got no feeling. I'ma show them how to ball, I'ma spill drip till I fall. Gotta show them how to ball, we drippin' till we fall. I swear we different, I swear we different. I gotta be a telephone, can't even count it all. I swear we drippin', I swear we different.
What's poppin', Brick fam? It's your boy Brick Billion. I'm back for another video, man. And you already know we got an unboxing today, you heard? So stay tuned. You already know we got a little unboxing. Man, I've been waiting for this part. You know what I'm saying, for this IS250 for like at least 3 months. You know what I'm saying? That joint was on back order, so. But look, you know, we about to get straight into it, man. Yeah. Miyagi. Wax on, wax off. Definitely gonna wipe all this stuff off, but you know, I'll get to all that. I'm not gonna do it on camera. But yeah, I'll get to that. So it's just in the trash real quick. Don't worry about it, guys. I have a trash can. It's just outside because we have the valet trash. So. Hey Alexa, show me the front door.
Okay.
Alexa, show me the parking lot. Yeah, so you know we got eyes on both the V's, both the whips. Show me the parking garage there, you know. Yeah, so I just finished cleaning this joint. You know, spick and span, you feel me? Come on, you know, just a little shoulder off real quick, you heard? You know the vibe, we outside. Now I'm inside right now. But look, it's time to get straight into the unboxing. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, you know what I'm saying, the figs. These are the LCA bushings for the IS250. Got them off figs right here. You know, this is obviously not a paid promotion, but you know, whatever. Come on. Oh yeah, wait. Let's be safe with the night. I don't want y'all freaking out in the comment section. Yeah, like man, these joints was on back order. Like I waited like 3 months for these. Yeah. Yeah, but these, nah, these were definitely a much needed upgrade, you know? Definitely a much needed upgrade. These are the 90s, you feel me? Hold on, let's see what we got. This is you know, front lower arms, you know, LCA bushings, you feel me? Paid, usually 400, you know, with the taxes and extra shit. But you know, yeah, it came with the, you know, some fake stickers or whatever. Yeah, but yeah, stickers out the way. We don't need that. Bushings. Let's get to the good stuff. Oh snap, we good. You know what I'm saying? Shit, we got the grease right here. Boom, we don't need that. Get that body here. Boom, we don't need it. Boom. Some LCA bushings from Figs. Oh snap, I shouldn't have put that on here. They are greasy. Yeah. It's a little bit greasy, but yeah, it's a long wait for these. These are the 90s. I believe it's like the poly, whatever. Alright, we're back, full effect. But yeah, so we got the you know what I'm saying, the installation grease right here, whatever, you know what I'm saying. You know, y'all can read the little directions. Looks like somebody dropped these. Y'all just see me unbox these, so there's no way that I did that. But yeah, I'm about to install these babies tomorrow morning, whatever. You know, I'm about to get down dirty with them, you heard? But yup, got the installation grease right here. You know, got all the instructions. You know, whatever you want to call them, whatever. But yeah, these are the 90s. These are the 90s. These are the more stiffer ones than the 80s. You know, obviously the 80s are less stiff. I could have went with the all racing, but I didn't opt to do that. I felt the Figs had a better, you know, look, feel. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I basically assessed it and I felt that the Figs were gonna be better for my vehicle. And what is this? They came. Somebody dropped them already. What the heck? Oh, okay. But that's really it. You know, Figs. My first upgrade. You know what I'm saying, for the V is suspension. You know, because these, you know, obviously, you know, I've been having like the inner tire wear, like the inner tire tread wear, like problem. So you know, I had to upgrade, and the OEM bushings, you know, obviously is not what that vehicle needs. You feel me? Like these are, I feel like these are gonna do the job. And Figs hit me up. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna get back at y'all. You know what I'm saying, when I do the installation video. Put all y'all questions down in the comments or whatever. If you got any questions about any equipment I got, any furniture, anything else, you know, anything y'all like, anything y'all see, whatever. Put it down in the comments, gang. You heard? Y'all can follow me on my social medias at BrickBillion on IG, Twitter, YouTube. You know, subscribe. Also, you know what I'm saying, J Bricks on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube as well. You know what I'm saying, for my music. You know, for my producer channel. Brick Billion Made Away on IG, Brick Billion Made Away on Twitter, Brick Billion Made Away on the tube. You already know, like, comment, share, subscribe. Definitely turn that post notification bell on, you know what I'm saying? I definitely got some updates from the IS, on my IS book coming up, you know what I'm saying? I just got a suspension upgrade, you know what I'm saying? So we're about to be installing that tomorrow, you heard? You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for that, you know what I'm saying? Sick IS build on the way. IS gang, yeah, we up one. Y'all already know the vibe, we up. Alright, Brick fam, y'all hold it down. Y'all already know we keep it solid as a brick.
This dripping in session, I'm giving them lessons. I'll cash out at them all. Gotta show them how